What is a faucet? Litecoin faucets are a reward system given from a website or an app. Litecoin is given to visitors in exchange for completing a captcha or a task. First faucets were developed by Gavin Anderson in 2010 for Bitcoin. Litecoin rewards are given at various predetermined intervals of time. And Litecoin faucets give fractions, but the amount usually fluctuates due to the rising value of Litecoin. Why are they given? Because they want to introduce users to Litecoin. So they give free Litecoins. In turn, they get traffic. So increased traffic help them to make money through it. And these are the three top reasons why Litecoin faucet websites or app are so popular. Because people get Litecoin and that gets them to be introduced to Litecoin, and therefore they can buy more Litecoins to increase their holding. And that in turn increases the demand for Litecoin and price in turn. Thank you.